Hi everyone, this is an acrylic demonstration update. This will be my first demo. I'm going to put out white birch, white breasted nuthatch. The reference photos will always be in the upper right hand corner when we need them. This tree up here is not even half done up here. It's not even started down here. The bird only has one coat of paint. The background, I started with a brush just to kill the white, so to speak, of the gesso, and then went to a natural sponge to blend the colors together and then also create a very subtle texture that I was looking for with this particular painting. Now I only work off of a glass palette, and I also work out of jars. This really minimizes paint waste, but then also more importantly, I keep my whites mixed to a specific consistency. This one may be heavy, this one is thin, this one will have more matte medium and water in it, and it will allow me to blend it or feather it much easier into what colors are already there. Now keep in mind, I pretty much work my acrylics like I do my watercolors. They are fairly transparent, so when I go over them, what colors and what values are down below in previous coats will come through. So I am still building up layers just as I do with my watercolors. The big difference here is that I can actually go back over with lighter colored opaque paints and go back in and change things around if I want to. Now the background colors, I may make a custom color, and what I'll do is I'll pre-mix it, then that way I'll always have that exact color to go to if I need it. Because remember, acrylics are kind of the opposite of watercolors. They dry a little bit darker once they dry, so trying to match a color exactly is really tough unless you have the color pre-mixed. These demos will be coming out along with the watercolor and digital, but I have a ton of paintings lined up in all of the above, and I have a couple of big ones that I have to get done for myself. They will exceed 30 by 48, which is a very sizable painting that will take some time. So, just to give you a quick update on what's going on with the acrylics, they are underway. I had to make a big changeover to get them started. But until I see you out in the field or back at the studio, thanks for watching.